Hello YouTube friends, welcome back to my channel. I don't know what I'm doing, but anyway, for today's video, it's something not fashion related, but this is for all the girls who love to curl their hair, girls or gays, whatever. As long as you want to curl your hair, this will be nice for you. I'm gonna curl my hair in front of you guys, so I'll show you how this thing works, you know. So I hope you're excited as I am, and let's get into the review time. Ooh, ooh. Okay, let's unbox this thing. This is the packaging. It's really basic, and of course there's some papers. I don't know, I don't have time to read all of these instructions. And so it's empty, plastic. So this is how it looks like. I really love the color. It's gray and silver in front, and this is where you're gonna put your hair. I think this is, you can see on and off. I don't know if you can see. It's just all the sign here. So I'm excited. This is like making a pancake, like like I don't know, a Filipino style pancake. It reminds me of something like that, like but anyway, I'm going to plug this out and I'm gonna try this for you guys, so you can see how this thing works. Is it worth the money or not? We'll find out. So now this is on. This is like digital thing. Adjust it to 230 degrees because I have a long hair and very thick. So the temperature adjustment is this button. I want to 230. I think the maximum is 230, so I'm putting it to 230 degrees Celsius. Yeah, it's 230 now, and we'll see. And as I read the instructions, you cannot curl a very thick hair, otherwise they get stuck, and it has a sound like the beep beep. I will show you guys what I mean. If you're gonna curl too much hair, it will not curl. So I'll do first a small layer. And honestly, this one, it gets hot like easily, you know, not like the other colors. You need to wait like few minutes, but this one is just pretty quick. Okay, and you need to insert your hair in this section, this thing. So like this. Wait. Two. You're waiting for the beep beep. So now you have to release it. Ooh. Oh, it's so hot. Oh, it looks like noodles. But I really like it, you know. So cute. The next one, we'll try this. I hope you find this review very helpful, guys. If you're planning to get a new curler, you can take a look of this review. Ooh, it's so hot. So cute. Okay, now I'll show you when I pull out to maybe too thick, it will not curl. I'll show you how this thing sounds when it's too thick. See, it gets stuck. It's like toot, 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 toot. Ow. But it releases easily, so don't worry that it gets stuck. So what you will do is to take out a few hair and just curl. Oh, wait. Okay, do it again. Ooh, that's nice. Okay, I'm going to curl more hair. I'm gonna curl all my hair tonight. To be honest, this one is pretty quick, you know. If you're in a rush to go in a party, I think I like this because it's so quick to make. Alright, that one, it gets stuck and it you just pull it out your hair. Nothing to worry. It's too thick, so I might, whoops. Okay. My hair stuck. Holy shit. Have to pull out a little quick. Still alive. My hair is still okay. Don't worry. Did it burn? No, it's not totally burned. Just crush. I just need to comb my hair. Okay. Do it again. What the fuck was going on? Why it will not go? I think I do it in a wrong way. Oh, it's so hot. See? Looks like that. Only a few seconds and then you have a curly hair. Although I wanted like bigger curls, so this one is not really ideal if you want a big curls, because this can only hold some few hair. There's some specific like you cannot put a lot of hair in this one, otherwise it will not work. So it takes only a few seconds to curl. Can you see that, the curl? It's so freaking cool. I really like it. Okay, and let's do another side. there you go. So this is how it looks like. I'm going to turn off this tool by long press this one. So it's off. And let's talk about the curl. Can you see that? I think it's curled perfectly. It's just like it's not that thick, you know, so it's less time consuming. But this also is very fast, you know. It works so fast and it works, and I'm really like this thing, and this will become my bestie now from now on. And I think I will give this 4.5 out of 5 stars because it's just like the thickness, because sometimes I want bigger curls, but still this one is very decent and very cute as well. It did the work, so I really liked it. And yeah, I think it's really worth to buy this product. And this thing really works, and it's so quick and easy to use, so I highly recommend this. Also, I forgot to mention that this doesn't come in a pouch or like a travel bag, so that's the only downside of this, because I travel like oftentimes and I want to bring this boy with me as much as possible. So but still the size is very decent and it's not heavy, you know. It's lightweight. For me, it's just lightweight. It's not like the other curlers that are heavier. So I think this is a travel friendly thing, but I haven't traveled it with yet. But in the future, this will be in my suitcase, you know. And yeah, it's just like I have a old pouch. Maybe this will fit in there, so I think it's okay, no problem. So I just want to mention that also to you guys. Okay guys, that's it for today. I hope I will see you on the next video on next Friday. See you guys. Take care everyone. Love you.